Namaskara Mudra. We hold each position for 3 seconds. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Hands above your head. Bend on your right. Bend on your left. And bend back to the center. Right foot out. Turn your toes outwards. Squeeze your back muscles. 1, 2, 3. Straighten your knees and your arms. Left foot in. Hip out. Right arm niche. Left arm upore. 1, 2, 3. Left palm down as well. Curl your forehead to your shin ball into the pyramid pose. 1, 2, 3. Look in forward direction. Fold your knee at 90, backward knee on the ground. Arms up, back stretch. 3, 2, 1. Namaskara at the heart center. Turn your torso facing forward. 1, 2, 3. To the other side into a deep squat. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Again into equestrian, arms up, backward bend. 1, 2, 3. Palms on the ground, straighten your hips and knees, curl your forehead. Pyramid. 1, 2, 3. Open up your right arm towards the ceiling. 1, 2, 3. Back to the center. Turn your toes out. Squeeze your back muscles. 1, 2, 3. Straighten your arms and knees. Toes forward. Left foot beside your right. One more cycle. Bend on your right. Bend on your left. And bend back to the center. Left foot out. Turn toes out. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Straighten, right foot in, right hip out, left palm down. Triangle. 1, 2, 3. Right palm down, curl your forehead to your shin. 1, 2, 3. Knee at 90, back knee on the ground, arms up. Backward bend into equestrian. 1, 2, 3. Namaskara, the heart center. Turn your torso facing forward. 1, 2, 3. To the other side into a deep squat. 1, 2, 3. Turn further. Arms up, back bend. 1, 2, 3. Palms on the ground. Straighten your hips. Curl your forehead. 1, 2, 3. Open up your left arm to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3. Back to the center. Turn your toes. Squeeze into goddess. 1, 2, 3. Straighten up. Toes forward. Right foot beside the left. Bend on your left. Bend on your right. Back to the center. Namaskara.